Tired of sticky joysticks, laggy triggers, or controllers that quit mid-battle? The GameSir G7 SE wired controller isn't just another gamepad, it's a revolution. Built for Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and PC gamers, this powerhouse blends cutting-edge tech with pro-grade comfort to transform how you play. Say goodbye to drift forever with Hall-effect joysticks and triggers, delivering pixel-perfect accuracy and durability that outlasts traditional controllers. Plug-and-play simplicity means you're seconds away from dominating on Xbox or Steam, while customizable back buttons let you map commands like a pro. Feel every explosion, crash, and heartbeat with immersive dual vibration motors, and lock into marathon sessions thanks to its ergonomic, non-slip grip etched with laser precision. Whether you're chasing victory royales or exploring open worlds, the G7 Say's 3.5mm audio jack and seamless compatibility ensure you're always in the zone. Ready to play harder, smarter, and without limits? Your upgrade starts here. GameSir G7 SE wired controller for Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and Windows 10 11s. Plug-and-play gaming gamepad with Hall-effect joysticks, Hall trigger, 3.5mm audio jack, language, English, item model number, GameSir G7 SE, item weight, 14.8 ounces, manufacturer, GameSir. About this item: versatile compatibility, supports Xbox Series XS, Xbox One XS consoles, and PC Win 10 and above, including the Steam game platform. Precise control, features Hall joysticks and Hall trigger for comfortable feel, long life, and enhanced gaming accuracy. Plug-and-play convenience, USB wired connection, detachable for easy setup and instant gaming without the need for additional drivers. Customizable experience, includes 2 custom back keys, allowing users to eliminate false triggers and enhance their gaming experience. Immersive gameplay, offers pulse-type vibration trigger motor and asymmetric vibration grip motor for immersive tactile feedback. Enhanced audio and comfort, equipped with a 3.5mm audio interface for seamless connection with gaming headsets and an ergonomic grip with ultra-fine laser engraved texture for comfortable and non-slip gaming sessions.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.